Hello everyone, today we have a 2020 Honda Ridgeline. Runs super smooth. I'll go ahead and close it up. Take you for a tour. Those LED headlights don't really flicker to the human eye. It's just refreshed right out on the camera that makes it look like that. This one does have alloy wheels. Very well thought out into little vehicle here. It's got a tow package. There is the spare tire and the trunk underneath the bed. You can see it does have a bed liner as well. Spray liner. Just have lighting inside the bed. And the power sliding window. This one's also an all-wheel drive. Does have the fog lights. Go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. Super comfy seats. It does have a black pinhole leather interior. These fold up for additional interior stowage. And show you the VIN. There we go. It does have 2 driver presets. It also has the lane departure alert. There's your econ right there. Come up here, you'll see that you have 4,037 miles on this vehicle. You also have paddle shifters, and you'll have your heated steering wheel, which is super nice on a day like today when it's freezing. You also have your cruise control and your infotainment, and there we go. You can turn the volume on the channel with this. Also push to talk. Come up here, here are your sources for your stereo. AM, FM, Sirius XM. And then of course you got your aux, your Bluetooth. Here's the home. Here's your maps for your navigation. And I'll just go ahead and put it in reverse. So you can see the backup camera. There we go. Oh, I did need to mention that it has heated seats, which again for a day like today is amazing. Your climate controls, your push button start, also your push button shifters. You have your cup holders, your additional power supplies. There's your key fob, additional stowage right here. All right, as you come up here, you have your standard map reading lights, and then you've got your sunglass holder, and that also becomes a way for you to look into the back seat. And then you've got your sunroof. So that about wraps it up for this little Honda. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. The airbags did deploy, but there was no structural damage. These quarter panels, both of them were affected, along with this right side and this right rear. You can see we've got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.